Students, in this video we are going to study about multiplications of decimal fraction. In previous class you learned converting a decimal fraction into a common fraction. Okay, now look at the example. Multiply 4.3 multiplied by 5. So 4.3 means it is a decimal. Okay, that's you can multiplying these numbers by using three methods. It has three methods: method first, method second, and method third. Look at here, 40.3 multiplied by 5 equals to 43 upon 10 and multiplied by 5 upon 1. So it means what? We will converting this number into fractions number. Okay, we will converting this number into fractions number. So it is 43 multiplied by 5. So it means what? 4.3 means 43 upon, it has one decimal point after one digits decimal points. So we're writing here 10. Now multiplied by 5. So 5 means it has only 5. So we're writing denominator as 1. Okay. So now let's multiply this number. So it is 43 multiplied by 5 upon 10 multiplied by 1. Okay. Equals 43 multiplied by 5 means how much? It is 215. Let's multiply this number. 43 multiplied by 5. 5 3 is 15, carry 1, 5 4 20, 20 and 1, it is 21. So it is 215. Now 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10. Now let's divide 215 by 10. So 215 divided by 10. So it is 2 2s are 20. Remain 1, 5, carry forward as it is. Okay, 10 ones are 10. So it is 5 remain. So we cannot divide 5. So we will taking here decimal number and it is 0. So it is 10 5s are 50. So 10 5s are 50. So 50 minus 50 it is 0. Okay, hope you understand how to divide this number. Okay, so the answer is 21.5. This is our first method. You can solve this example using second method also. This is the lattice method. Okay, this is the multiplication of using lattice method. So how to solve this example? So 4.3 multiplied by 5. So first draw a table like that. Okay, take here multiplication sign. Okay, let's expand the 4.3. So 4.3 चा जर आपण expand केलं तर काय येणार? 4 plus and 3 decimal points. So we can write here 3 upon 10. जर इथं 0.3 असेल तर आपण काय देणार इथं? 3 upon 10. Okay, only 0.3 0.4 तर नसतो, तर इथं काय असणार? 0 असणार. So you can write 3 upon 10 here. So this is expanded form of 4.3 and 5 as it is. So now write down here it is 4 and it is 10 upon 3 upon 10. Okay, and it is 5. So now let's cross multiply this number. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Now 5 3s are 15 and denominator as it is. Okay, let's add this number. So it is what? 20 plus 20 upon 15. So answer is what? 21 upon 21 decimal 5. You can solve this like that. Okay, now And this is method third. It is very simple method. This is also very simple method. First we will arranging this number like this. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 15 5 carry 1, 5 4 are 20, so it is, and 1 21, so 215, and it has decimal point after one digit, so we will taking here one decimal point after one digit. So this is the answer. Hope you understand how to solve this example using decimal number. We will converting decimal number into fractions, and after that we will solving this problem. Okay, now look at the example 2. The rate of petrol is rupees 62.32 per liter. Seema want to fill 2.5 liter of petrol in her scooter. How many rupees will she have to pay? Which operation is required? So we will multiplying this number. Okay, the rate of petrol is 62.32 per liter. Okay, Seema want to fill 2 liter. Okay, 2.5 liter. So it means what? 2.5 liter. We can write 2.5 like that. Okay, 2.5. You learned in previous class already. So it is method first, 62.32 multiplied by 2.5. So we will converting this number into fractions. So we will converting this number like that, and it has decimal point after two numbers. So we are writing here 100. Okay, we learn in previous class, sir, 0 1 are sales, so we are writing here 10, 0 0.2 are sales, so we are writing here 100. Okay, 0.002 are sales, we are writing here 1000. We learn in previous classes already. So it is 100 multiplied by 2.5 means it is 25. If we are converting this number, so the fraction will be 25. So it has one decimal point. It has decimal point after one number. So it is 10. So let's multiply. The multiplication of this number is 15,000. What? 1,55,800 upon 1000. So if we divide this number by 1000, we will get 155.800. Okay, so this is our answer. Hope you understand how to solve this exercise. This is also, you can solve this example using second method also. We already know the second method. It is also very simple. Okay, hope you understand how to solve this exercise. Now practice set 16. Solve this exercise and send on our WhatsApp group. This is homework for you. It is very simple example. Solve this exercise and send on our WhatsApp group. Now we will stop here. Thank you.